let's start with this cabbage. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that leaf formation. Look at the structure of it. Wow. I wanted to say it's put the garden to bed day. It's always a sad day, but the pansies are doing great. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I may have planted them when it was a little hot, so I lost a couple. I just replaced them with a Johnny Jump Up. More cabbage. My hardy geranium is still blooming. The rubideckia is still blooming. I'm going to leave the black-eyed Susans and let the birds have the seeds on the heads. Coreops is still blooming. Ever-blooming azaleas are still blooming, but we have freeze predicted tomorrow night for sure. Zone 8A. Let's see, I filled in little Johnny Jump Up and over here too from the trailing pansies. Like I said, I may have planted them a bit early, need to be a bit cooler, but it's okay. Just fill in and put a couple in this pot, and they're doing great. But anyway, we will not stay frozen for long. It's just mid-November and we're zone 8A. But we're bringing our hoses tonight, and it's just wild. It was like a summer day. It was 72. Look at my reblooming azaleas. Now, aren't they something? You can see the wind. Anyway, I've cut back my daylilies, my hostas. It's just always a sad day, but I do like having the pansies to have some color in the winter, some sign of life, some good cheer. So, batten down the hatches in zone 8A.